Hello and welcome. In today's video, I want to show you how to install a VPN on your PC. Let's go. To do it, we will need special software. There is software called iTop VPN. Here you can see the official site. All links will be in the description. Go to the official site and click here, download. Open the file you just downloaded. Here you can select your language. In my case, let it be English. Also here you can select the path, then press install. Now wait until it ends. Open the app, and here on the home page, all you need is to press connect, and the app will automatically select an available server. As you can see now, we are connected to LA, United States. To disconnect, press here, disconnect. Now go to all servers, and as you may notice, we have 5 free servers. If you want to use free servers, there is a limit of 300 megabytes per day. In this video, we'll show the paid version of the app, where there are no limits. The paid version has servers in most countries: Japan, United States, Spain, Italy, France, Germany, etc. To show how my IP address changes, I will go to my IP website. And now, as you can see, this is my current IP address. Now let's connect to VPN and see how it changes. For example, let it be Moscow, Russia. Press connect, and as you can see now, my IP address has changed. Now I can access any site from a different IP address. For example, let it be Google, it's working well, or let it be YouTube. Everything is working well. Also, as you can see here, you can find servers for downloading, for streaming, for social, for gaming, to have less ping. Also here, quick access, you can find servers, for example, to unblock ChatGPT. Also can unblock WhatsApp, etc. That's how you can easily install a VPN on your PC. If you're interested, all links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. If this video helps, press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. See you later, bye.